Today I want to talk about a problem which we experience quite a lot. When you pick up the phone to order your propeller, it's always online these days. How do you know the guy on the other end of the phone is telling you the correct story or whether he's just working for his commission? I can't comment for the other companies, but I can tell you how we do it at King Propulsion. Now, we're the US distributor for Bruntons Propellers. They do an amazing line of sailboat propellers. And one of the most important things that we concentrate on is getting the details right. And this can be anything from getting eyes on the propeller, if it's a difficult installation, getting photos like this with tape measures put on and really pinning down the engine size, the gearbox ratio, and really getting all the nitty-gritty down. Because if you don't, you're going to really pay for it. So the other thing we can do is, once we've got this detail, because we're naval architects first and salespeople second, we have access to CAD packages where we can take the drawing, we can overlay propeller diagrams, and we can tell you within about 2% whether the propeller can swing on your boat or whether it's not fit for your boat. You can also then go online, and when you get quotes from the various propeller companies, you're going to get slight differences. And this one here is a very good propeller sizing tool, and this is what the typical salespeople will use. But our propellers, and this diagram was built on work that the Bruntons Propellers did through King Propulsion, the parent company, in the 50s and 60s. We actually designed these propellers this is based on, and you can see on the screen there the design diagrams that it comes from. So we really know what's going on with these calculations, and we can usually get this right first time, provided we've got the good data from the first step. We can also, because we machine our own propellers and we cast our own propellers, we can do fun stuff. This was a very large Baltic race boat that had a requirement for a titanium propeller. Titanium propeller, you heard it. So we were able to cast this. This is a 26-inch, it's a ginormous folding propeller like this, 4-blade, and we were able to cast it and machine it without issue. I mean, how many other companies can do that? And then if nothing goes right, or there is an issue, or there's a vibration you can't track down, that sometimes will happen through, you could have problems with the engines, problems with the airflow coming from the engine, you know, a whole myriad of problems. But we have the team and the capabilities, and this is actually me on sea trials. Yes, sea trials. We'll go on sea trials to try and fix the problem. So it's the real technical backing from this company is really special. The final thing, which is really this most simplest thing, and this is something that most people don't think of, is all the propeller companies typically have one product. The feathering propeller company will do the feathering propeller. The folding propeller will do the folding propeller. And they will all say, this is the propeller for you. King Propulsion, the representative for Bruntons, we do fixed pitch, we do folding, and we do feathering propellers. So we can provide you with exactly the right propeller that you need. Now, we'd love to talk to you about this. So please feel free to get in touch. 757-962-921 or come on onto the website, and we have a great YouTube channel explaining how to service and install all these propellers. We'd be delighted to hear from you.